Today I've been training the southern sword, 南刀. One of the combo is like this. So you do a flower, and then after your hand will cut like this way. After you're gonna tense your hand to cut, but just not smooth. I've been a little frustrating. So today, let's solve the problem together. Let's follow me the daily kung fu training and tutoring for the 南刀组合. I've been repeatedly to training this combo many times, but the problem is this combo has a lot of hand changing. The second time was better, but once I rotate my body, try to cut and change my hand, still stuck right there. And today my goal is to solve this problem. How to make this combo smooth with hand changing without stopping. Let's watch how does this combo look like. This is the first move of this combo. So your both hand cross and fit together. You stop your right and your hand go down and you sword the blade in this way and you go cut like this. So the other thing, my friend, so if you're training this sword but you don't have one, so you can to take anything to inside like a short stick or anything like this long. In these basics, we want to have this flower smooth and turns your hand and blocking by this side. But the problem, once you do quick, sometimes so easy, it's just falling from your hands. This flower, inside go down, and you cut go outside. Then you change down. 1 and 2, you both finger just right middle and turning, and you change your hand. You cut some block. Wasn't easy. You can do this with repeatedly training. So you cut the inside and outside, you both finger right here and rotate and cut by your hand and you go block. The problem I find out, so why sometimes we cannot cut the sword and drop? The problem is we cannot to be too quick. Doesn't mean we do slow. The movement can be fast but smooth, like same speed. You can't go this super fast because it's really hard to and you gotta change your hand. You can do quick, but it's smooth, like same speed, like this, like the same speed. That would be easier because with a different speed, your hand is just hard to control your sword and easier your sword to fly away. Cut and same speed and smooth, and you got this. So let's say this again. So down, your fingers got this, and you go block. For this part of the technique, after you go blocking right here, you stop your right and your both hand from the left side, you go stop like this. Same time, you stop your left and sword same time, like this. So you gotta repeat 1 and come back and 2. This. Very important, your feet, your sword, same time. 1. Alright, just stop right here. So let's find out how this part goes. So after you boom, the sword cut this way, and then you got to cut left and right. Go to the left and right. But your left hand cannot hold like this because once you cut, you say your elbow stop your hand like this. So you can't. So that's why we need to adjust. So once you get this, so your left hand actually quick turns like this. So from the bottom and turning this way. So you can to use both hands to cut smooth the left side whole circle and you cut the right. So very important your left hand. So see this again. Boom. 1, touch your hand, cut and cut. And then you gotta turn this way. So after you turn this way, also a problem. So once you cut the left, your hand is stuck. your left hand stubborn. We need to solve today. So you got this. So you got touch your hand left, cut and cut in here. Very important. Your left hand don't change for the first cut. You just twist your waist. You cut the whole circle right here. But you cannot cut the other side. So this is the problem. As soon as you finish cut the left, you say it's right here. You have to quick change your left hand and your right hand. So you can cut right and left, and you can finish the whole combo. So let's follow me to get your hand work and make this smooth as possible, right? You go boom, cut, and you go forward, inside, outside. Remember, same speed, fingers. Your right hand cut, you go boom, block, and you got a quick cut. You got a quick boom at the same time. You stop, you sword same time, and your hand turns you this way. You cut left, cut right, and don't change your hand. Straight cut and straight cut. Right. So once you cut the right, once you go the last cut, you say you go the last cut. So you gotta go 1, 2, straight. You don't change your hand at all, so you can make this smooth. Once you go the last move, you go quick turn your hand. You go quick turn your hand, your left hand right here. You go attack. All right, so let's do the full speed one last time. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. It's great. It's great work, my friend. I feel so happy now. I solved the problem, and I know how to switch my hand with my sword and sword combo. Alright, so if you're first time here, my friend, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't miss out the next video. I see you in next video, the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial. Bye bye.